This herbed beurre blanc is delicious. Here are the ingredients you'll need, everything readily available. We're going to start by chopping some fresh herbs. Today we're using parsley, chives, and fresh dill, but feel free to try your favorite herbs when you make it at home. We're also peeling and dicing 2 shallots. Next, it's over to stovetop where we add half a cup of white wine, a 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, and the diced shallots. They go into a small saucepan, stir, and bring to a boil. When it does, reduce to medium and simmer until the liquid reduces to about 3 tablespoons worth. Strain the liquid, return it to a clean saucepan, and reduce the temperature to low. Now we're adding 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of butter at a time. We're whisking vigorously after the addition of each. As you add each tablespoon of butter followed by your whisking business, the sauce emulsifies, it becomes light and airy. After the last tablespoon is added, we're over to our work surface. Add a sprinkle of kosher salt, a squeeze of lemon, and then a tablespoon each of the freshly chopped herbs. Herbed beurre blanc is perfect with fish, seafood, and your favorite veggies. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. Enjoy.